Hmm?
No.
No question. Okay. So can I clear?
Yes.
Clear everything?
Yes.
Hold on a minute.
Yeah.
Can I clear? Can I clear?
Yes, you can clear.
Okay. So question 2. A train moves. Hello guys, how are you?
No.
Yeah, fine. Where are the others? The others are not here.
Yes, sir.
What happened? We were scheduled to do an agriculture paper, but I've just realized that we did not finish a mathematics paper that is displayed on your screen. So we'll go back to that paper quickly. What number did we reach? That's where we are starting from. We went up which number? We went up to what number? Yeah.
Number 30.
Number 30.
Yes.
We reached number 30. Which number did we reach at?
I'm in trouble.
Which number? Which number, guys? Please tell me. Which number did we reach? Did we reach number 30?
No, sir.
We reached there. Is that where we were? So do we continue from there? We did this, eh?
Yes.
We did this. Angela, can you hear? Did we do this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, all right. So we are continuing from number 30. Let's go number 30 as quickly as possible. Right, we move on. A container has 1380 sweets. You can mute your mics quickly so that I can mute them for you. Okay, let's go ahead. So we have right. A container has those number of sweets. Not clear yet. Okay. Here we go. This side. We hibernate there. All right, a container has that, and sweets. James takes 146 sweets from the container. Lorato takes twice that number. I don't know whether we did this one, but let's see. So we have there are 1380 sweets, and James takes 146 sweets. That is James. That is James there, and then Lorato takes twice as many a James. So Lorato takes 2 times 146, like that. So twice takes twice the number of seats as those taken by James. So what will be the answer? We work it out. Will be 1380 minus this is 146. 146 times 2. 146 times 2. Okay. All right. Okay, let's try it. This is 12, 2 carry 1. This is 8, 9, and that gives you 292, right? Plus now 146. That gives you 8. That gives you 3. That gives you 4. Then, so this is 438. 438. Subtract 438. 1380 minus 438. And that gives you 942. So this gives you 942 sweets. Okay. Okay. All right. Okay. So do we understand? So the answer, correct answer there is A there. Then we have estimate to the nearest 10. So to the nearest 10, this will be 490 times 20. So this gives you 0, 0. 2 times 9. 2 times 9 is 18. R1. 4 times 2 is 8. That is 9,800. Estimating to the nearest 10. Do you see how we do the work? We are estimating 496. 496 to the nearest 10. When we are estimating there, 496, 496. 6 is bigger than, to the nearest 10. 6 is bigger than 5, so this becomes 490. All right, and then we have 24. To the nearest 10, we are looking at that. This one is less than 5, so this is just 20. And then we multiply. So 490 times 20, what we do is that we say it's 4, that is 49, then 0, and then we bring this 0 here, we add it on top there, and we multiply by 2. That's 0, 0, 18, 8, carry 1, 9, 8, 9. So the answer there. I believe that we understand what we have done, okay? Rautwa. Rautwa. Are we together?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's go to the next number. What is the highest common factor? Common factor uh, for 66 and 84. Common factor. So factors are numbers that divide into a number without leaving a remainder. Okay. So let's look at factors of 66 here. Factors of 66, we start with 1, we have 2, we have 3, we have 6, we have 11, we have 22, and we have 33. Okay. All right. Then fact is not available. Which thing are they using? No, you should join again. Yes. Just a short moment, guys. I do something just quickly.
Spell my name nice.
All right, we are on, guys. Let's continue as we wait for Tato to join us. Okay, what is all this? 10 minutes. This, what is this? Okay, good. All right. Okay, done. Take it out. Take this one out. Come back. Okay. Sharp, sharp, ne? Are we sharp? Sharp, 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 sharp. Okay, okay. Okay, let's go on to the next part, to the next question. The next question is that, okay, we are in 84. The factors of 84 are 1, 2, 84. Does 84 divide, is 84 able to divide 3? 84 divided by 3? Yeah, so we have 3. 84, does it go to 4? Does it go to 6? 84 divided by 6? Yes. So we have 4. We have 6. I think 84 goes to 7 as well. 84. 84 divided by 8, no. 84 divided by 9, no. So 84 divided by 12, yes. Oh, we have 12. And so you can see the highest common factor here is what? Is 6. So 6 is the highest common factor. Look at it here. Look at it there. This. That is the highest. common factor. Okay, right, good. So let's go to the next question. If you're done with working on that one. Now, there are 96 employees in a company, okay? Each employee is given 24 cans of drink every 6 months, and there are 96. So what is the total number of, what number of total drinks do they take in a year, okay? So 6 months is a half a year. So it means in a year they are taking twice, and there are 96 employees. And each employee is taking 24 cans. So let's multiply all these together. Let's multiply. So you can say this will be 96. 2 times 24 is 48. Let's work it out. Work it out. Eh? Say 6 times 4 is 48. 8 carry 4. 9. 9. 9 times 8 is 72. 72 plus 4 is 76. So we have 76 here. And then we go ahead to this one. 4 times 6 is 24. Carry 2. 24 carry 2. Then 4 times 9 is 36 plus 2. 36 plus 2 is 38. And then we add. So we have 8. We have 0. We have 16. And we have 4. So the answer becomes 4608. Okay. Let me see. All right. Let's move on to the next part. Can I clean up the board? Can I clear? Thumbs up. Should I clear? Okay, I'm clearing all drawings there. Clearing. Okay. Let me go to the next. 34. Work out this. This is okay. Okay, let's divide. So we have 25 divided by 50, 78. 25 goes how many times to 50? 2 times because of 50. So we are left with 0, 7. 50, 25 cannot go to 0, 7, so we put 0 there and we bring 8 down here, and that goes 3 times because of 75. Okay, subtract. So we can bring this one. That is 70 minus 75. 78 minus 75. That is 3. Okay, then we put decimal point. We add 0. Then we go 1 because of 25. Okay, that is 5 plus 0. That gives you 2. 2. So the answer is 203.12. Okay, 203.12. That is B there. Please, are you done writing? Let's move on to the next question. An exercise book costs 15. Psle. A shop sells 55 exercise books in January, and this one is February. So January, we have 55 times 15, and February, we have 80 times 15. How much money was made in selling in both months? So here you multiply 55 times 15. We go here, 5, 55. This is 25 carry 2. 5 times 5, 27 plus 2. And this is 5, and that is 5. And then we add 5, 2, 12 carry 1, 3, 8. Okay, and here we have, let's say we are multiplying any number you are multiplying with another 0, you can just add the 0 there and then you multiply 8. That is 80 times this. So 0 here is 40, carry 4, this is 8, 12. Then you add these two. So we have 1200 plus 825, and that gives you 5202. So we have 2025 as the amount. Because how much money was made from selling the books in the 2 months? So you add. Okay. Are we understanding, guys? Are we understanding?
Yes, sir.
Okay, all right. Okay, all right. Tato, are you in? Tato is not yet in. What is happening to Tato today? What was I?
Sir, tell him to start the video. We'll see.
Hmm?
Tell him to start the video. We will see him.
Okay, starting the.
Tata, you don't have to see him.
Okay. Is he on? We can't hear him. We are asking questions. We can't hear him. Is he available? Okay, let's continue. Can I clear this? I want to clear all of this. If you are done, please thumbs up. Okay, I clear. All right. We are moving on down. Okay. Next question there. Okay. A transport department registers 6,044 vehicles. The number of vehicles include these vans and this number of trucks, and the rest are tractors. So how many tractors are there? So tractors here will be equal to 6044 minus the sum of these two. That is 1860 plus 2376. Can you work it out? Can you work it out? So we have 1860 plus 2376. Add these two. That gives you 6. That is 13 called 3. This is 12. And this is 4. And then we have, therefore, the number of tractors will be 6044 minus 4236. This will be 8. And this will be 0. And this will be 8. And this will be 2. All right. I think it's perfect. It's perfect. Okay, yeah, I think there's an error there. It's okay. This will be what? Thank you for correcting me. This is 6 minus, that is 5 minus 1. That is 1, 1808. That becomes, okay, number 37. Mrs. Tolofellow shares a bag of cement with her sisters. Our share is that, a quarter of that. And one of the sister's share is that. So what fraction is left for the other sister? So it means you're going to take 1 minus a quarter plus 2 over 7. So it means we are sharing one whole thing. So we have to subtract these fractions from the whole thing. And when we do this, so we come here, we begin by working. This is a quarter plus 2 over 7. And that is how much? The LCM here is 28. 28 divided by 4 is 7. So times that. This is 8. 8. Which is 15 out of 28. So now we have 1. 1 here is the same as 28 out of 28 minus 15 out of 28. Okay, so this gives you what? This gives you, it gives you 13 out of 28 as the answer. Okay, so okay, are we together? Remo, are we together, guys? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we are together. Let's go on. Can I clear the air? Clear the-
Yes, sir.
All right. Yeah, I go. I'm clearing right now. Clear. Right. Okay. Mm, okay, perfect. So we are all there. Let's move on to next last question there. All right. We have 85% is expressed as a fraction in lowest form. So we have 85%. 85% is the same as 85 out of 100. So we want to express as a fraction. So the next thing is that we simplify. We simplify. And that means we start 85 over 100. We start by dividing by 5. Divide by 5. And that gives you 85 divided by 5. That gives you 17 out of 20. And you can see that was a pretty simple answer. 17 out of 20. So when you are simplifying, you divide with a number that is a factor. That a factor is a number that can go into both of them without leaving leaving a reminder. That is both the numerator and the denominator. And in this case, is 5 because any number that ends with 5 or 0 can be divided by 5. Please take note of that. Any number that ends with 5, any number. any number ending with 0 or 5 is divisible by 5, okay, or is is um is a multiple of 5. Hello, sir. I'm fine. All right. So important to know, it will be any number that is divisible by 5 is a multiple of 5. Any number ending with 0 or 5, it can be divided by 5. So you can see 5 is a 5 there, there's 0 here, so we divide by 5 straight away, okay? So if you are done with writing, can I move on? Can I clear? Okay. Can I clear?
Yes.
Okay, all right. Okay, clear all the drawings, right. Then we go to this page. Okay. 39. Number 39. A coin is tossed once. You throw it once. And which of the following words describes the chance of getting a tail? A coin has only a head and tail. So there is an equal likely chance of getting a head or a tail. So it's likely here. Okay. So it's very likely. Okay. It's likely. Perfect. So, okay. So the table below shows a list of items that Mpo bought. We have lotion, 1 kilo, quantity 1, it costs that much. 3 kilogram of beef, each is costing 7.5, so total is that. In other words, you multiply 3 times that to get 22.35. Then here, canned fish, we don't know how much, but it costs this much per unit price. And here we don't have. So we are supposed to find how many cans of fish did Mpo buy. So how many cans of fish did Mpo buy? So we need to find first the total here for the fish. Total for the fish. Total for fish equals 42. That means it's equals 4260 minus 885 plus 2225. Okay. Right. All right. Okay. Okay. All right. So this gives you how much? This is 4260 minus 885 plus 2225. 885 plus 2235. And that gives you that 1 is equals to 3120. Okay. All right. Therefore, the unit, so this one here is, so subtract here, subtract, so subtract 4260 now, and that gives you 1140. So you subtract there. All right. So now the quantity here, the quantity equals to the total 1140 over unit price, which is 540, and that gives you how much? It will give you how much? It will give you 2 cans. It should give you exactly. Let's say 40, 260 minus 8.85 plus 22.35 plus 11.4. Oh, this is 7. Sorry, this is 70. It's not okay. It's 70. So divided by 5.7, and that gives you exactly 2. Okay, gives you 2. So 2 cans. So please write down the working. Yes, Joseph. Yes, Joseph. Any problem?
Saya thought the answer was 3.
The answer 3. No, it can't be 3. Follow the working. Can you see the working on the side here?
Yes, sir.
You can see everything. Okay, yeah. Follow that working. Follow that working. It can't be 3. It's 2 here. 11.4 divided by 5.7 is 2. It's exactly 2. Divide. Divide, you will see. Huh? We can even say this is 11.4 over 5.4. Okay? We multiply here by 10, multiply by 10. This is 114 divided by 50. Sorry, it's 57. I don't know why I'm going that way. And this is 57 goes 2 times here. So you see there. Very important. So our working here is so key to our understanding that. All right. So we have 2 cans. 2 cans. 2 cans. 2 cans. Right. The next question there is Mohopodi sold a computer for this amount, making a profit of that. What was the buying price of the computer? What was the buying price? Okay. Okay. What was the buying price? So it's already this. So the buying price is equals selling price minus the profit, which is 6550 minus 1750. So let's do our working here. 6550 minus 1750. Subtract. This is 0, 0. 15 minus 7 is 8. So we are left with 5 here. So here we have 4. So our answer is 4,800. 4,800. Okay. All right. Cool. 4,800 cool. Good. Okay. Any questions so far? Any question? Any question? Any question? No. Can I clear? Can I clear the board?
Yes, sir.
Any question? Say so.
No, no, sir.
Popular. Mona Opula, do you have a question?
Sitso.
No, sir.
Okay, all right. Okay. All right. Okay. All right, let's look at that question. All right. The figure below, there's a question there. I use it to answer the questions that follow there. Okay. So we have a rectangle there. This is a rectangle because we have all the angles are 90 degrees. Okay. That means all these sides are parallel, 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 parallel. Okay. So which side is parallel to QW? So QW, it is RY. So it's RY or YR. Okay. So that is so easy. That was the free mark. All right. So guys, we are ending here. But for now, we are going to end here. And probably, okay, we'll talk later. We'll communicate and give you a link later. Okay. Are we together?
Yes, sir.
I promise to see you probably later, if that will be okay. Okay. All right. I hope you are all well. Okay. All right. So we end here. We'll communicate later, people. Good people. Good people. Okay. This one is ta 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 ta. Perfect. All right. Ending meeting now.